I don't know the meaning of the star. Actually, no, we were told something. I forgot what it actually means. But then it doesn't matter. It's the part of my uniform, and I'll have to wear it.
We do not teach religion in the school at all. The children know that the school closes for major Jewish religious festivals, for instance, for Yom Kippur, for Rosh Hashanah, for the thing. We try to make the children aware of what the festival is and what we are observing.
No one knows when was the last time Calcutta's Jewish girls' school actually had Jewish students. Some say the early 1970s. It's probably hard for today's students to imagine what this place was like when Calcutta's Jewish community was bigger.
I remember matzah used to be made next door, and the smell of matzah baking used to come into our classroom while we were studying geography or history. We couldn't pay attention because of all the lovely smells coming from outside. I had Jewish school, Jewish food, Jewish teachers, Jewish customs, Jewish prayers.
That was in 1947, before independence. Today in Calcutta, a city of 15 million, only 20 Jews remain. Aileen Cohen is one of them.
Yeah, I'm on the way to the cemetery actually to carry out an inspection.
In addition to being the school's director, she ensures Judaism remains alive in the city.
As you see, there are a lot of graves here that need a lot of repairing. Whole patch in the middle, all this side, we have a lot of work to do here.
Every day, Rabul Hussain walks to the Magen David synagogue where he works as a caretaker. He's a Muslim. He inherited the job from his father, who took over from his father, all devout Muslims. They know the meaning of each Jewish holy book and every Jewish holiday. Rabul will soon pass the job on to his son-in-law Masood, caring for the city's last 3 synagogues, just in case there are visitors.
तो हम लोग को कभी मतलब कम्युनिटी की तरफ से कोई परेशानी नहीं होता और कम्युनिटी जो है हमारे बारे में बहुत अच्छा सोचता है। देखिए कम्युनिटी के अंदर में तो 4, 5, 10, 12 जितने भी वो लोग के ग्रुप हैं जो कि जूस पीपल्स यहाँ पर हैं, वो लोग कम्युनिटी के अंदर में सब तो मतलब आते रहते हैं, कोई ना कोई कभी भी आते रहते हैं और मतलब हमको प्यार भी बहुत करते हैं और हम लोग को काम से भी बहुत खुश रहते हैं।
It's like family, and we grew up with that, so it's nothing strange to us. It may sound very strange to people from other parts of the world, but it's never been otherwise, so it's not at all strange. We take it for granted.
सर जो भी फॉरेन कंट्री में जैसे आप बोले कि रूस हो या इजराइल हो, कहीं पर भी कुछ भी मतलब मुस्लिम और जूस पीपल के अंदर में कोई भी वार होता है तो उससे हम लोग को कुछ इफेक्टेड नहीं पड़ता, क्योंकि देखिए सर हम लोग पहला है, हम लोग हिंदुस्तानी हैं, हम लोग इंडियन हैं, तो हम लोग का कल्चर जो है बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है। हम लोग का कल्चर जो है, हम लोग का कल्चर में ये नहीं बताता कि कोई भी मज़हब का आदमी से लड़ाई करो।
I wake up in the morning and take the name of Allah. I go off to sleep after reciting some surahs and after namaz and all. So I believe that no matter what happens, Allah is going to be with me wherever I go.
Every Friday afternoon I go to the synagogues to light the Shabbat lamps, and I personally go and pray in each of the synagogues in turn on Shabbat morning so that the synagogue is open.
Religion never comes into picture when we make friends here or anywhere else. I believe that's the outlook of all the girls here. If I had a Jew friend, if we would have heard about Israel and Palestine, all those things that are happening there, so I don't think we would have parted or we would have left each other, unfriended each other. We would have talked about it that this is not good, it's not good, there should be peace all around. That's what we all feel. We all are youngsters. We don't want to indulge in politics and in all those war-related things. You know, we just want peace and a better future for us.
For me personally, it's a source of great pride. I feel it is something that we have accomplished, to have developed that level of trust with the Muslim community that they are happy to send, especially their daughters, because daughters are always considered as needing to be protected and to be sheltered, so that they entrust us with their daughters is something that an achievement for us.